Hello guys. Good morning. I hope you guys are well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I woke up and I was in my creative mood. Okay, I was like, you know what, I saw this challenge online, 60 minutes makeup versus 6 minutes. Okay, so I'm going to attempt to do that today. All right. I kind of have a look in mind, a makeup look, eye look actually, that I really want to try out and see how it works for me. Okay, I really hope I nail this. Okay, because it's actually quite intricate, the look. You're using lots of, like, I guess they're called neon pigments and all of that. So I want to attempt it. All right, so the time is almost 11 o'clock, so I think I'm going to use my clock as like a timer, okay, for the 1 hour side, the 60-minute side. Okay, I'm not going to film every bit of it because obviously this video is going to be so long. I'm just going to put the necessary clips, So my face is clean. I don't have any products on my face right now, so I'm just generally going to moisturize my face, okay, because I don't want to just moisturize this side. I'm just going to moisturize my face, okay. This might be me cheating, but I'm just going to moisturize my face, okay. Use some tip for this. All right, so guys, here my microphone went off because it died. So it was just me telling you guys that I already finished with one side of my eyes and I'm about to do the 6 minute side. Okay, so I was gonna use my phone to time myself because the previous time I did not. Yeah, 6 minutes. So I did not realize that my microphone was blinking. It was blinking the whole time and I did not know. So the chaos. Immediately, like the timer started, it just felt like I did not have any time on my side. So this is just me priming my face. Oh my god, you guys can like see from my face how I was rushing. Applied concealer. It's very close to my skin tone, so yes. That other brush was not working for me, so I had to switch it up. Okay, so yeah, foundation. So that's pretty much it. I just wanted to add that there in case you guys were wondering why the audio might have gone off. Okay, so I just had to insert this here. Okay, and are you guys feeling this eye look? Like, look at that eye look, guys. Hey, it looks so good. Like, I didn't think it was gonna come out that well, and I shook myself. Okay, I really shook myself. So if you guys like that and you would want to see more of looks like this, dramatic looks, guys, drop it in the comment section and I'll do it. Okay, I got you. I applied too much highlighter, guys. Oh my god, I applied too much highlighter. Okay, that's much better now. We intend on blinding our enemies. So yeah, I don't even know what point I realized that I don't know what point I realized that my mic was not working. Oh my god, I look so weird. What was I? 3 minutes. By the way, my mic was off. I did not realize that my mic was off. So you guys might not hear me in some parts. Oh my god. Do I have time to conceal my you know what? I'm just going to brush my brow off. I think I have like a brow gel thing. Oh god. Get in. Oh my god. Eyeliner. This one has to be perfect. Okay. Mascara. Let's do mascara. Okay. Oh my god, what's this on my face? What's this? Okay. 1 minute. Of course I need powder. Of course. Oh my god. In the Swarovski. The whole shit. Just bronze on me. Just to warm up my face. Blush. I'm barely blending, guys. Like, oh my god, this was harder than I thought. But lip. Oh my god. Yeah, nice try. Okay. What was it? Oh my god. 43 seconds. Where is it? 7 seconds, guys. I'm gonna 25. I hate to set my face. Set your face. Six, 5, 4, 3, 2. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Oh my god. Hold on. Ah, the rush. Cause what? I can't believe I was able to do that. I was able to do that. Not bad. This is like a quick, everyday no makeup look because yeah, that's what it is. So that's pretty much it, guys. I really enjoyed this video. I'm definitely going to do something like this again. I'm going to do something different. So 60-minute sides, 6-minute sides. Okay, I feel like I should wear like a wig. Let me wear a wig. I'll get back.